What'd you think of Mission Breakout?
That was so awesome.
Got my heart pumping a little bit.
Scared me to death when we didn't go through the little ride at the beginning. It just dropped us a million feet.
Yeah, it was really good though. I like what they did with the music and everything. So, you know, I hate to see things change and get rethemed, but that was a good retheme.
That was a great retheme.
So we're biding time until we go to our web slingers thing. What do you call it? Virtual queue. So now we're gonna go do Mike and Sully.
But look at this. This looks so much like Hollywood Studios.
It is basically like Hollywood Studios.
Remember when Hollywood Studios used to have this?
Yeah. It kind of makes me feel like sad that we don't have that anymore.
Yeah.
Of course, we did get Galaxy's Edge.
Which I'm not mad about.
Right. I mean, look at this right here. Monorail! Look, it even says Hollywood Studios up there.
Yeah. Pretty cool right here.
Yeah. This way to the Shield? Oh, yes. Look right here.
Okay, come on. Blue, we gotta find our straw. Is this the same Monsters Inc.
No, it's a ride.
Oh.
Yeah. Is this where you're supposed to go?
Do you need me to leave?
I'm good.
Don't put your masks on now, please, guys. Masks on now.
Spider-Man?
What?
Okay. Or Men in Black?
This reminds me of the Muppets when you're going for the show.
You're right, because of the posters and stuff.
Business and industry, Monstropolis is home to energy giant Monsters Incorporated. Founded by Henry J. Watergate I, Monsters Incorporated has always taken great pride in their patented and highly successful Monsters Incorporated. For your day, the process of Monstropolis. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the tank. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokey Mo!
Oh, good little bear!
It was horrible. Minding my own business when this human child posed me with his telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
It was horrible. Minding my own business.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress. On unit, get out of there. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. All good. Here's the girl we're looking for.
I'm here working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got Wolf Door set up on the scale floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now!
Oh, that's cool.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
We gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Get ready, folks. We have to decontaminate.
Let's go and secure the area. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we handed the situation status to
Human child in Metropolis. It never happened. What are you looking at?
So right now we're just still biding time until Web Slingers opens up for us. We're just wandering up to the front because since we came in the side
I would
view,
say since we came in the side,
We
I
didn't
have
see-
no idea what this looks like.
I see somebody up ahead.
Oh.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh.
We need to go say hi to Mickey. So we're about to try this for the first time, a giant jumbo chocolate chip cookie that's been, the ears dipped in extra chocolate, so lots and lots of sweets for
Could there
Jessica.
be anything better?
I know, this is for breakfast too.
You did not need to mention that on the show.
We're just, you know, we're being honest.
Edit that out.
No, we're gonna be honest here. That chocolate chip cookie was very good.
As I'm sure I'll still have it on my face.
Surprisingly, the ears dipped in chocolate were the best part. I'm not like,
Why would that be surprising?
I don't know, because you know, I like just solid chocolate chip cookies and not have anything else on it. But I love that part of it. The ears were the best part, definitely. So good choice.
We chose it.
Well, we did it together. Jessica is fussing that they're selling oranges up at the front.
No, I just think it's so odd. Like, yes, I know there are orange groves and this was built on orange groves. Don't at me, but I'm just saying.
All right, let's go ride some Spider-Man.